Hi, Tony.
Hello. How are you?
Nice to see you again. Long time not read with you. Tony is my guru in riding. So today
Long time.
he came to visit me and then want to check where I'm going. Usually I used to modify the bikes and then he want to see
Bad house.
my house and then where I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
Please come.
Bro, what is this place? Wow. Very
Yeah. If you would like to know where I usually do the video, this is my workshop. So I did everything here. Yeah. So here, my
studio. Wow. This is Ironman begin.
Yeah. You're right. I want to become one. Yeah.
Wow. This is custom.
Yeah, everything was customized. Yeah, nothing's really original one. I did it from the bottled water, and then I create this by myself. Yeah.
Very creative.
Yeah. Thank you.
Wow.
I did the welding over here. You see? Yeah. I did.
Yeah.
I have 3 welding machines.
Wow. This is custom too.
You can find it anywhere in the market. Yeah. This is customized. Yeah, because you have to need this kind of things to create things. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. This is all my the bike bags.
Wow.
I have some new one, old one. Depend on the the venue, the events that you want to take. So pedal, the stocks.
Wow.
Sometimes
Complete.
I think I need to change the original one. So maybe I got something lighter, something easily. Handle. Yeah. Sometimes I even forgot if I have already bought it. This is new. I just knew that I have it because I keep buying again new ones.
Wow.
Without noticing that I have already bought the last one. Yeah, things like that. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, this is pedal for MTB.
Yeah,
Wow.
correct. Yeah, the clip one.
Oh, clip
Yeah,
MTB. Oh.
few collection. Sometimes I think some of these I have new versions, so I just keep it for later.
Many spare parts.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sometimes. Yeah. This is just the stocks for the crank, Q release, any kind of Q release, front titanium, and then and then this one some bolt. I don't know what kind of bolt is that. Sometimes I bought it, but I forgot what is it for actually. Too many.
Seat post.
So seat post, yes, for seat post. Handlebar, yes. I keep buying, but I suddenly forgot what is it used for.
Yeah, I think this is not.
Yeah, this is for the light.
Shop.
Yeah, the bike light for rear, for front one.
Many lights.
Yeah, all kind of things.
All kind lights.
Yeah, and depend on the mood. Sometimes I want to check the.
Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah.
What's 0.63?
Yeah, because a lot of bikes, so sometimes I just do not want to put off.
Oh, new.
I think this one, I don't know, what is it? Yeah, it's a bike light as well.
Oh.
But sometimes, some with that one is solar chargers. Solar chargers light. I even forgot, what is it? And sometimes people offer me to buy again, maybe I buy it again. But actually I already have it here. Somebody should have to inventorize, make an inventory of my spare part, anything available.
Too many
Yeah.
spare parts.
Yeah, this is all unused sometimes. I don't know. I have to keep looking for it. I want to look
Oh,
somebody.
this is crank.
Yeah, all kind of size.
Okay. Oh my god. Many crank.
I don't know
Oh.
what is it. Yeah, Light
This
Pro
is
one.
crank too.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, banyak. How many? 10.
I don't know.
Maybe 10.
Yeah,
10 crank.
with different size.
How many bike you have?
You can see it later. I stopped counting.
This is new too. Oh my god.
That one is disc brake.
Oh, this brake. Okay, this brake.
Disc brake. Yeah, sometimes whenever I go touring, so I just bring fuse just in case that it was
Oh my god.
something happened during the logistic delivery.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, 11. 11 disc brake.
Yeah, yeah. Nuts, yeah.
Very, very nice.
Yeah, this is maybe the old parts of my Brompton, my Brompton parts, and then yeah, yeah,
Oh, this is.
yeah,
Oh, Sally, then Brompton too.
yeah, Brompton, all kind of Brompton parts.
Okay.
Some of things that,
Brompton from England.
oh yes, some of those I never even know that it exists.
Wow. This is cool.
The collection of saddle,
Wow. This is
sometimes repaint.
repaint custom.
Yeah.
Oh. Really, man.
Yeah. And then yeah, this is sometimes some unused saddle, and then or the original one I still keep it. And then this one is new saddle, very light one.
Very light saddle.
Yeah, like pepper, right?
Light pepper. Okay.
Pepper weight.
I think below 100 gram.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. I got a few there, just in case that I got some broken saddle.
2. New.
I think 3
saddle.
actually. There's another one.
Oh, 3.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Somebody want to close the store and then ask me to buy it all. So
3 saddle.
Yeah.
New.
yeah. I can open a store.
This is saddle for Brompton.
Yeah, I think that one's coming from Threefold. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is original.
Original Brook.
Yeah, remember the owner sold to me at the time the folding bike. But it was in Palembang.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's still in Palembang now. Yeah.
Oh, this is come with
Yeah.
many tools.
Yeah. So I put it so you can get easily grab. And also remember, it's very important because you got injured all the time. Burn. Sometimes I was cut and bleeding. And then this is the emergency.
Ah, this is.
Yeah,
this
many kind of welding.
can welding.
Yeah. Solder.
Solder is very, very.
With the different types with energy power.
More than 5 solder.
Yeah. Yeah, you got over here, you see? Different kind of solder over here.
Wow, this is
Because I
crazy.
modified
solder.
for cutting,
Wow.
different type of, you see?
Different kinds
The
of
head.
solder. Okay.
So,
Custom. Okay.
all custom one.
The best. This is custom crazy.
Yeah.
Coca-Cola.
Teh botol or Coca-Cola?
7 Up.
7 Up.
Wow.
Yeah. I try to fix some LED,
Wow.
the battery, and all kind of stuff over here.
What kind is this? What's for it?
It used to be for drilling, but it still use the conventional drilling because it still use the electricity. Now I have the battery one, so this is just to put to make it fix before you drill something. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then same here, I have this to,
Yeah, this is
yeah,
customing.
yeah.
Crazy hobbies.
Yeah, sometimes I sit over here. I have a lot of few charger over here. And then all the things control over here. It's better to sit and mend rather than sitting on the chair and then the table. Sometimes it's better to pick something over here.
Amazing.
This is to put my mobile phone to charge while I'm doing something else, and then this is to make a video. This is, you know it.
Road bike on TV.
Yeah,
Mini road bikes.
yeah. I have some diving equipment over here.
Oh, diving too.
Diving equipment. Yeah, yeah. It's fin, everything.
Oh, fin.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's just
Another
one
fin.
package. So in case I want to go for diving, it's just only take this one. Everything's inside already. Yeah. And then all kind of hiking equipment over here already, including golf equipment.
Wow.
Diving, and then if you want to, a lot of things
This is from
to catch.
snake catcher.
Actually, I'm not using for snake, but I want to have, I just make a video extender of the paint, spray paint
Yeah.
from some location which is not easily reached.
Okay.
You know what is it?
What is it?
This is to keep
hiking.
away, keep the snake away.
Oh, this is snake
Yeah,
way.
yeah. This is the tree, the wood.
Oh.
It is said that the snake afraid with this wood.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the name?
I don't know what is in it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Completely
Yeah.
crazy. This is wow.
Yeah.
Crazy too. Wow.
Yeah. Complete set.
This is not two bags.
Yeah.
This is
For another and then all the
oh my god.
all kind of equipment. They have a lock over here.
This is a software move here.
A little bit.
A software move here.
A little bit.
Yeah. Wow. And
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
custom.
Yeah. All the liquid.
Liquid.
Oil and then paint, and then this up part is actually mostly for the bike one. So I have all the cutter,
Yeah.
wire cutter, and then sometimes this, yeah, sometimes all the first grab.
Yeah. This is Brompton. This is
Yeah,
folding bike. Many folding bike.
yeah.
More Brompton.
I don't have places anymore to put all this collection. Maybe I just want to put there in the wall. And then at the moment, I keep everything here. And then all the together with the paintings.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is many collection. Crazy hobbies. And what is this?
Place for charging
Oh, charging.
all the equipment.
Oh.
Kind of a lot of tools there, and then sometimes it needs charging, so I just put it here.
Oh, this is
Yeah.
one of collection.
My collection. Sinelli bootleg.
For touring.
Yeah,
This is
only use once.
Oh,
Only use once.
Wow.
And then put it on the wall. Yeah, that is.
Oh, this is road bike collection. Okay. Very good.
This road bike is recommended by my friend Tony. Yeah. I think you can count it not until 10 I use this.
Oh my God.
So it's mostly proper is put it on the wall.
How much is? How much is?
I don't know. Please don't ask me. You know. Don't ask me. This is for fix. Yeah. It's the same color with the S-Work, so I just put it here.
Nice, very nice.
Yeah. Wanna see the collection?
This is room toilet.
No.
Oh my God.
This is where my collection.
Wow. This is
Some of my collection.
bike.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's starting from the white one, Merida,
Okay, Merida.
all mountain.
Oh, it's Merida.
Yeah.
Just when we bike to Aquila.
Yeah. And then it grows,
Yeah.
starting to add one by one.
Wow.
Merida, Montaki, and then S-Work, and then this look. This is together with you also, track hybrid.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Track hybrid. I bought it with you, together with you.
Yeah.
And then the Rich. And then this is, I got it, I think, I don't know. It's just like good, but it's not actually. I just want to modify it. Yeah, I have already changed everything. And then this,
bag you have?
I stopped counting.
Wow. Maybe 30.
This is the birdie. This is the birdie that you like
Yeah.
to see from my other video.
Yeah.
And then the FN horn.
Birdie is the best.
Yeah. And then this is some warehouse.
Oh.
Yeah. Including my golf bag and then the bike bag.
Yeah, bike box.
Only for the bike box for the bigger bike. And
Amazing warehouse.
So yeah, whenever you ask me to ride, then sometimes I have to think what kind of bags that I have to use. So maybe one thing that from Tony, that if you want to ride, you have to be aware with the safety.
Yeah. Safety first.
Safety first. You have to wear the proper helmet
Helmet.
with the
MIPS. MIPS maybe.
Yeah, because you see that Tony just got a surgery on the eye because of the
Retina
detached retina.
Retina detachment.
The doctor said because maybe the injury of the falling down from the bike. But in the past, not directly. So
5 years ago.
5 years ago.
Yeah.
So you see that sometimes you fall down from the bike, you feel nothing, everything's alright, but
after
the result may become few years later.
Yes.
So always safety first. Don't let the sport become things that ruin your life.
Yeah.
It has to be something fun for your life. Okay, Tony?
Okay.